send shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize,
but I don't think we should.
'Cause spooky, scary skeletons shout startling, shrilly screams. They'll sneak from their sarcophagus and just won't leave you be. Spirit, supernatural, or shy, what's all the fuss? But bags of bones seem so unsafe if it's semi-serious. Spooky, scary skeletons are silly all the same. They'll smile and scrabble slowly by and drive you
You so insane.
Sticks and stones will